So over here, right now, you can see that the other person is actually connecting to my computer. So they will be able to go ahead and control out your mouse. But let's say you don't want them to access out your computer. In that case, you can actually go around over here onto this section where you can see the person who is connecting. So right now, you're allowing them control. So if I were to uncheck this, even while the session is running, now they won't be able to go ahead and access it out. But wherever they move their mouse, you will be able to see a secondary mouse on where they are pointing at. You won't be able to go ahead and then they won't be able to go ahead and control your computer. But if you want to enable it out, simply allow the access and they will be able to go ahead and connect your use your computer as you want. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and disable the clipboard sync. So once you do this, what happens is that they won't be able to go ahead and copy out anything from your computer. But if you were to enable it, then you'll be able to let them copy out content from your computer. So you really need to trust them in order to go ahead and allow them clipboard option as well. So you can do that. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and access out your files box right here, as you can see right here, and then even access out your whiteboard right here, which you can use to go ahead and then draw out on your own as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then block and allow out remote user as you want inside of TeamViewer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.